Take a moment to settle your body. There is nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing you need to force. Allow your breath to slow naturally in through the nose, out through the mouth. Let the pace soften. As the breath slows, the nervous system begins to receive a different signal, a signal of safety, a signal of stability. Be still. Stillness is not inactivity. It is alignment. With each breath, allow your body to recognize that it is supported by the ground beneath you, supported by the rhythm of breath, supported by something greater than effort. As you breathe, notice where tension has been held unnecessarily. In the jaw, the shoulders, the abdomen. There is no need to analyze it. Simply allow release. The body responds to permission. As tension softens, attention becomes clearer, and with clarity comes choice. Guard your heart above all else, for everything you do flows from it. What you attend to shapes what you become. So now gently bring your attention to what is steady. Something good that has remained present even during difficulty. A relationship, a capacity, a moment of provision. Gratitude is not denial. It's orientation. As attention rests on what is good, the nervous system shifts. Stress signaling quiets. The body moves towards coherence. Take another slow breath. In this space of calm, consider the behaviors that support the life you are being shaped toward. Not through pressure, but through consistency. Small actions practiced daily shape long-term outcomes. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Renewal happens through repetition, through what is practiced, through what is chosen again and again. What is one small action today that supports stability? One choice that aligns body, mind, and spirit. Let the answer arise without judgment. As you breathe, hold that intention lightly, not as a demand, but as an offering. Change rooted in peace lasts longer than change driven by urgency. Take another slow breath. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you. Peace is not the absence of challenge. It is the presence of order. Allow that order to settle now into your breath, into your body, into your thoughts. Remain here for a few moments, breathing, grounded, attentive. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Carry this state forward, not perfectly, but consistently. Stability compounds. Thank you for spending this time here.